Welcome back to Shedtune, and we're back in HQ. If you watched the last one, you'll know that well, we were going to check the crank on Shedtune 65 and it didn't quite go to plan, so we've now got it in bits, and we're going to check the piston to bore clearance and the rings. Quite a number of you have messaged saying you really like this logo and think it might look good on a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. So guess what? We've listened to you. They're now online in the Etsy shop. In fact, it's coming close to Christmas, so why not order the perfect gift for your other half? While Dom's messing about in the background, who's coming to Newark show in January then? We're going to have a stand there, might have some t-shirts for sale if you're good, and we'll have some surprises, I think. What?
Surprises, I think.
Dom's trying to get his ring off.
No, I've got my ring on.
Oh, okay.
Too late, mate. Too late to the party.
There's no party. So we've got the barrel off and the piston and rings out, and we're going to measure, well, the ring gap and the piston to bore gap, just to be on the safe side. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm sure Dom will know what, because this isn't an occasional barrel, is it? This is a...
No, it's a rapido. And so aluminium with a steel liner, or iron liner, should I say.
So it wears a bit quicker than the occasional stuff, doesn't it?
And it's an open carb, not so. Yeah, it definitely wears quicker. I think it's I think it's about up to a half a mil gap
Is acceptable.
Is acceptable, I believe. I'm sure that's in Sticky's book, the Broadhurst, on a non like Japanese piston. So I've pushed that in.
Okay.
So it's just way down.
Some butchers. Rightio.
Well, one thing's for sure.
Then we've got to get feeler.
I don't need a feeler gauge to know that's bigger than half a mil.
Okay. Well, what you got there then?
Well, let's see. Oh, half a mil goes through nicely.
Oh yeah, so it's bigger than that then. What's next?
1 mil.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice and not tight.
That's quite sloppy, isn't it? Okay, so 1 mil's not enough. What's that now?
Effectively 1.5.
1.5 mil.
155. Oh, nice.
Still a bit.
No, there.
Oh, 1.5 mil. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's pretty worn then.
Yeah. 1.5 mil. Can't believe it still did 80 in second.
I'm surprised it wasn't in reverse.
Let's try the other one.
Right, let's try the other ring.
I might only have to buy one ring then.
Oh well, of course. One careful owner.
Yeah.
Never raced or rallied.
I'm looking forward to seeing what the piston to bore clearance will be.
Yeah, eh? So same thing again, 1.5 mil to see if
No, I
it's...
think this one's smaller.
All right. Oh, okay.
Maybe not.
Okay.
One 1.55 mil. So just over 1.5.
Right.
It pinches up that, so let's try 1.5. Wouldn't want to lie to our viewers, would we?
No. Let me have a close up.
Yeah, it goes in there nicely. Look at that.
All right, okay. Now we're gonna.
There's a message to it. Check your rings.
Yeah, check your ring. So the next bit to do is obviously to check the piston. There's quite a bit of clearance on that.
So on a standard piston,
Yeah.
I am waiting to find out if it's different for the Japanese, like for this, but on a standard it's 0.15 mil.
Which is that?
There.
Well, the tension is building.
Dun, dun, dun. Drop it in again and find out that the piston's good and then end up broken and more try it. I would say that. It's not.
Bad.
No, it goes down and it pinches and that will lift that up. Obviously, I'm happy with that.
Good, because I can't see anything apart from your hand.
That 0.15, let's see if I can get any bigger in it. Who misses?
Such a child.
And your point is? Right, 0.05 and that 10.
What's the next one after the 15?
16.
Is it? I didn't know you could count.
So all I do is I find another one with a bit more rust on. that makes up at least 2 foul.
So what? That's 5. So that'll be 20.
Yeah. Which ain't happening.
Well, that's a positive sign then.
Yeah.
So we think that piston's probably okay.
No, that's the 0.5, so
Oh.
it's a 15. So yeah, no, yeah, 20. Yeah, so 20.
So we think that piston's okay, and we could reuse it with a new set of rings.
I think so.
Okay.
I think the rings, subject to
Confirmation.
clarification, I'm
Clarification.
pretty sure 1.5 mil is a bit big.
So next job is to whack the flywheel off and check to see
Or not.
to see if the flywheel's bent. No, the crank's bent. There we go. What are we going to use to check the crankshaft, Dominic?
Dial gauge. Gone in. Go on, go again. Keep going. Okay, keep going. Slowly. Stop. Okay, go on then. There. Right where the keyway is. That's the high point. So basically, it's the high point is there.